What's going on, folks? Exploring the woods with Tyler and Tanner here. We're talking today about AR-15 triggers. Having a good trigger is one of the most important things you can have in terms of accuracy. Having a lighter, more crisp trigger allows you to pull off better shots, not jerk it as much. And we're going to show the differences between a mil-spec trigger on a Bushmaster and an aftermarket trigger such as a Timney. Now, Tanner, why don't you go ahead and show them what you can do? Most mil-spec triggers rate around 12 pounds. And as you can see, he can completely just hang it right there. There's no strings, no nothing. It's just him hanging it right there. Alright, Taryn, let's go ahead and show the trigger creep. As you can see, there's a decent amount of trigger creep. Taryn, do you feel any little slight hangs in there?
Yes, you do.
Just a little bit. But the thing is, with ARs, every part's interchangeable. You can change them out. There's so many different aftermarket parts, it's not even funny. And we're going to show you guys now the crispness of an aftermarket trigger. This is on my 3-gun rifle. Oh, the sling's wrapped around. Alright. Yep. Barely even moved. Go ahead and do it again, Tanner. That's a 4.5 pound trigger. Over 2 times, the lightness in terms of pull. So it's pretty easy to see. When you get into longer distance shots or just trying to pull up, quicker shots. An aftermarket trigger like a Timney, a Geisley, McCormick, is a way to go. And it's a pretty easy deal. Some triggers range anywhere from upper 100s, like 180, 190 to 250, 260. And there's all different types: pulls, 2-stage, single stage. But it's one of the easy, quick, do-it-yourself fixes to make your AR more accurate.